this for you. We're going to be playing Cecilia, and we're going to be playing it fast. Let me show you. We can basically just go, Celia, you're breaking my heart. You're shaking my confidence daily. I'm just going down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Very basic strum pattern that works. Here's a couple other options. I'm doing the boom chukka. Down, down, up, down, down, up, down. But I have to abbreviate it because we're going so fast. I don't want a wall of sound. So if I'm using my fingernails, I am tapping the G string, flicking, catching, whatever verb works for you. I'm going to turn this sideways and show you. It's like a, and you notice I'm going, I really do rub across the wood. Eventually there will be a hole here and kind of coming up. See, it's like a flick. So I'm just catching the G string. Works really well if you have a low G on your ukulele. So I'm going, that's the first beat. One, and then down, up. That's the second beat. So one, two, and then repeat. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Let me slow it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. There's another option for it. It's a go-to for me. Another one is to use the thumb to catch that G string, like that. See that? Again, it's just, whoops. Like I'm playing lap steel here. And then down, up. Thumb, down, up, thumb, down, up. And the down, up, you have to work on that one to consolidate the movement. This was very hard for me when I switched over from guitar to ukulele to get this down, but I just woodshedded it and it eventually came. So here are options. Cecilia, you're breaking my heart. You're shaking my confidence daily. Here's a thumb. Oh, Cecilia, I'm down on my knees. I'm asking you, with the thumb. Let me break that down a little bit more for you and make it a little easier. Well, you can also do this thumb and then just down, thumb, down, thumb, down. So it'd be like this. Celia, you're breaking my heart. You're shaking my confidence daily. Now watch this. Cecilia, you're breaking my heart. You're shaking my confidence daily. What am I doing? I'm doing thumb and a chuck or a mute strum. Thumb, like that, which is very cool. You don't want to do it through the whole song. Just put it here and there. Celia, you're breaking my heart. You're shaking my confidence daily. Oh, Cecilia, I'm down. See how I'm changing up the strum patterns to keep it interesting. All right.